Oh, hey Spices! I am just eating my dinner right now. What we have here is some chicken thighs in a creamy mushroom bourbon sauce. Oh, and did I tell you it is made with frozen chicken in the Instant Pot? If you want to know how to make this before I eat it all up, let's go spice things up.
The first thing we are going to add to the pot is 1 cup of a dried red wine. If you don't have a red wine, you can do a dried white wine as well. St. Chappelle Winery, where I got this wine from, is a local winery here in Idaho. They make the best wine. All right, so now I'm gonna add my frozen chicken to the pot. This is frozen chicken thighs. I just find this recipe to taste even better with thighs, but you can add breasts or legs or whatever kind you want. And now I'm going to mince 2 large garlic cloves. And then we are going to add 1 small red onion to the pot. And now you want to add 1/4 cup of some bourbon whiskey. And now some salt and pepper. And now we are going to put the lid on. Turn it to sealing. Now we're going to turn on the pot and press manual. And we want to cook it for 15 minutes. So it's going to build up to pressure, and then it's going to count down from 15 all the way to 0, and then we are going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes. So we will come back after it has been naturally releasing for 5 minutes. All right, it's been naturally releasing for 5 minutes. Time to release the valve. Moment of truth. All right, so now I'm going to take the chicken out and just set it aside. All right, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And now you want to add mushrooms. This is just one of those package of mushrooms that you buy at the store that's already cut up. And you want to just add them right to the pot. Now I'm going to stir this, and I'm going to add my chicken right back into it. And get it in to the liquid. And now I'm going to put the lid on, turn it on sealing again. All right, so I just turned it off, and now I'm going to turn it on manual, and I want to cook it for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes. So the pot is going to come up to pressure. It won't take as long since it's already hot. So it's going to count from 10 all the way to 0, and then we're going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes. Somebody's knocking at the door. Let's see who it is. I don't see anybody. Oh, it's our dog. Hello, little girl. So one of my wonderful subscribers named Pedro requested to see Princess in the next video. So here she is, and yes, she knocks at the door when she wants in. It's been naturally releasing for 5 minutes. Time to release the valve. Time to open it up. All right, for me, I like my sauce to be thicker and creamier. So at this point, I turn on the saute button, and I cook it down until the sauce becomes thicker, and I add a little bit more heavy whipping cream to it and a little more salt and pepper. And while the pot is on saute, it will cook down a little bit and thicken the sauce up. All right, so once your gravy has thickened, and that is optional, you don't have to make it thicker, but I like it like that. We are going to plate it. What I like to add is some roasted asparagus, and you have to have it with some mashed potatoes. And then I take the chicken, and then I just put the sauce right over the mashed potatoes.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to pour yourself some wine with the leftover bottle of wine. And if you'd like to see more videos, click the link down here or the link down here. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click my face. And remember, I'm here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.